the LG 20 visitor, and today I'm doing a video on the Cricket icon. This is a new phone for Google Wireless. This one is made by Emblem Solutions, so this is a new phone made by a new manufacturer. So the Cricket icon, this is a budget smartphone, so you keep that in mind. This is $79.99. So if you keep in mind, like I said, this is a budget phone, and this has also an Android Go on this one, so this is pretty interesting, man. This is from there, what shit, but yeah, there it is. It's global and dark gray there, so not too bad. There you guys have an air grease foundation camera, your screen there, which is 18 by 9, I think. It's kind of hard to tell here. The power button on the right side show volume key, so that's the screen right there, this does have Pi Go edition here. Left side you have nothing. On the back of the phone you have the camera flash, your Cricket logo, and the speaker right here, and it looks like it has like a texture back to it there. So yeah. So it says here, the Cricket icon smartphone gives you more of what you need and less of what you don't at an amazing price. The device comes with the latest version of Android Pi Go edition, giving you the latest and greatest software experience with the streamlined simplicity of Go edition. You'll love the large 5.5-inch display, protected by a dragon-tail glass for texting, browsing, and social. Experience the reliable performance from its powerful processor and Cricket's 4G LTE network, and stay connected longer with the power-efficient 2500 mAh battery. The Cricket icon smartphone comes with a 5-megapixel rear camera with LED flash to capture share-worthy photos and videos, and a 2-megapixel front camera for selfies and video chat. Store more of what you love with up to 16 GB of internal memory, expandable up to an additional 64 GB with a micro SD XC card, which you will have to purchase separately for that. So the specs here are not that great. Like I said, this is a budget phone. This is a good distance smartphone, and you guys know that. That Android Go doesn't have like the greatest specs anyway, so it's like a light version of Android there. So you have a 2-year warranty, which is a win right there. That's a win. It says for full details on the warranty, go to googlewires.com/. I'll put a link to that down below if you guys want to check it out. So this phone comes with a 2-year warranty, so that is a win. Not bad. That's a win. I wish every phone come with a 2-year warranty, but a lot of phones come with a 1-year warranty. This one comes with a 2-year warranty, so great job for that. You have a 5.5-inch display that's FWVGA plus display, so that is 18 by 9 screen. And you have dragon tail glass for protection, quad-core processor, and 4G LTE speed there. 5-megapixel rear camera with LED flash, and a 2-megapixel front-facing camera there. 2500 mAh battery with up to 10 hours of talk time. 16 GB of user storage, expandable up to an additional 64 GB of micro SD card, HC voice, and mobile hotspot. Capable and Android Pi Go edition, of course. So yeah, you did get 2-year warranty on this one, which is a fucking win. I wish every phone came with a 2-year warranty. So it says easy to see. The large 5.5-inch display means more viewing and less scrolling for an optimal user experience. Stay up to date with the latest emails, websites, social media, movies, and videos with ease. Simplify your life. Android Go is designed to keep you moving with less time, effort, and memory. Streamlined apps get you the information you need without unneeded complexity. Quickly search popular categories and trending topics with a single tap with the Google Go. Get where you are going with Google Maps Go, and giving voice command Getting voice commands has never been easier with Google Assistant Go. Find a restaurant, play music, or set an alarm with your voice. It's like having your own personal assistant. So this has Go apps on here. Great camera features. The Cricket Icon smartphone comes with a 5 megapixel reflection camera with LED flash and a 2 megapixel front-facing camera to take memorable big selfies and videos. You do get 4K videos. You do get 4K videos you do get 4K videos at 30 frames per second. So that's nice. Capture moments with ease using soft timer so you can set a scene or pose and touch shot mode to allow for one-tap photos. Make them social ready by cropping your photos or adding filters right from your phone. Beauty mode enables you to smooth over life's little perfections so you can instantly look your best. So that's nice. You do get full HD video recording, so that's really nice. You get Android Pie Go Edition. Your dimensions are 5.91 inches height, 2.87 inches width, and 0.39 inches depth. The screen here is 5.5 inches FWPGA plus with Dragon Tail glass, 16 gigabytes of internal storage. I'm gonna say 1 gigabyte of RAM. It's either 1 or 2 gigabytes of RAM. It's like 1. Micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes. You have 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and Mercury USB charging. So it is what it is there. Your front camera is 2. Your back camera is 5 with LED flash. You have a quad-core processor. It is a MediaTek processor. It's a MediaTek 6739 processor, quad-core 1.5 gigahertz, 2500 mAh battery. I think the battery is removable. I think it is. So there you guys have the Cricket Icon smartphones now available at Cricket Wireless for $29.99. So this is an Android Go smartphone, so keep it in mind. So this would be a great backup phone, trap phone, or whatever. It would be a good phone. It would be a good first phone for a kid or whatever. So if you guys want to check this phone, it's available now for $29.99. Yeah, the Cricket Icon smartphone. There you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you listen out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will try the next one. Peace out.